everyone, my name is Nancy Ligio from 11 ABM Ayala. Today we will have a film review about Unfriended Dark Website. Unfriended Dark Web is a American screen life horror movie directed by Stephen Sock. The characters in this movie is Machas, Lex, Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, Amaya, and the Karens. And for the synopsis of this movie is Machas stole a laptop in the cafe and he used it to communicate with his friend, and meanwhile he received a message to the owner of the laptop, and he decided to return it before receiving a message from the Karen 68. And Machas see the see the video in the laptop that the many people are killing in this, and then he, res- he received a video call from his girlfriend Amaya, the, but Nora is there to and Nora is talking to him, and then Nora is threatening him to kill Amaya if he don't back the laptop. And then Machas direct Amaya to go to the subway because in the ground of the subway is don't have any internet, because and then once their signal is lost, he tell he tell his friend the truth about the Karens, and then because of that, the Karens are threatening all all of them and kill them. And then the ending of the story is the Karens is voting to determine Matcha's fate is going to be alive or dead. And after that, is sitting by a van. That's the end of the story. Yes, he used a trending apps like assisted media and social media. He used a assisted media. He used a apps called a papaya to communicate with his deep girlfriend. And social media is he used a Spotify to hear music, and FB to communicate with his girlfriend, and Skype to video call with his friend. Yes, there are threats in the internet. The first is spyware, because the current is use it to observe the people's doing, and the second is spam malware. The currency is use it to communicate with Machas and threatening him to kill Amaya if the laptop is turned back to him. And then the last is the phishing. The currency is use it to know the information. I learned in this video that don't use and open a personal account to the other gadget, because this is so very dangerous to us, because they can use our account if they hack it or access it. So don't share any information about us. And then I hope you learn something in this video. Thank you.